y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. This one's quick. I just have to share a vegan find that I found that has been changing my breakfast game. Today, I want to show y'all, look at this bacon. Okay, I'm going to insert a better picture of the bacon, but it's by Hooray Foods. It's plant-based bacon, and it's soy-free, gluten-free, and vegan, obviously. Y'all, first of all, it smells like real bacon, and it's been like 20 years since I've had real bacon, but it smells like it, it's crispy like it. It even has the oil like real bacon does. I have made a breakfast sandwich with it a couple mornings in a row, and then I think it'll be perfect on a BLTA, so I think that's the next thing I'm going to make. If you've tried this plant-based bacon, let me know what you think in the comment section below and what other things I should be looking for in the grocery store. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.